Ever wished you had a hidden vault on your Samsung phone for your most sensitive files and apps? Samsung's Secure Folder is that vault, and here's how to unlock its potential in under 90 seconds. First, grab your Samsung phone and head into your main settings menu. From there, scroll down and find Biometrics and Security. This is where the magic happens. Now, tap on Secure Folder. If you've never used it, you'll see an option to set up. Let's do that. You'll likely need to sign in with your Samsung account, or it might prompt you to install it from the Galaxy Store. Go ahead and install it. Once installed, you'll be asked to choose a lock method. You can pick a pattern, PIN, password, or even use your fingerprint or face unlock if your phone supports it. Choose the most secure option for you. Let's set up a PIN. Enter your chosen PIN and confirm it. And just like that, your secure folder is ready. It's like a separate, secure phone within your phone. To add your private data, tap the plus icon, then add files. You can choose to add photos, videos, documents, or even entire apps. Let's add some private photos. Select the photos you want to protect and tap Add. See, they've now moved securely into your vault. Want to hide an app? Tap the plus icon again. Then add apps. You can move existing apps here or even install a separate instance of an app, like a second WhatsApp account, all within Secure Folder. To access your protected data, just open the Secure Folder icon from your app drawer and enter your PIN. Your sensitive information is now safely out of sight and out of mind. Enjoy your digital sanctuary. #Secure Folder #Samsung Privacy.